So hello everyone, myself Priyavrad and welcome to our YouTube channel Helpful Techniques. So guys, I am again back with another off-campus related video. So in this video, we'll be discussing about the Cisco off-campus drive 2023. So they're hiring for the user experience profile or the position. It's a technical position. But before discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe so that you'll be able to get the timely updates. And also if you are going to attend for any off campus or any on campus for any company like TCS, Cognizant or any other startup companies, then you can reach out to us for the mock interviews, for the technical and the HR interviews. It totally free of cost. You need not to pay anything. You can reach out to us through our email address helpfultechniques@gmail.com. You can schedule your mock interview so that you will be able to schedule and you can go through the mock interview and we'll review your resume and all, right? And also I just quickly wanted to discuss about this off campus. So in the previous video we discussed about the Oracle off campus drive. So they're hiring for the Oracle application DBA or the database admin position. So it's for the pan India, and the people those who are having 0 to 2 years of experience or 2+ year of experience can apply. That means it's a entry level position. So I'll be putting this link in the description of this video so that you'll be able to apply for this position, right? And again, so now let's discuss about the position and about the eligibility criteria and the application process. So they're hiring for the new graduate. That means the freshers are eligible only. And the location they're hiring for Bangalore. So mostly they hire for the Bangalore position. And this is the job ID. You can use this for the reference purpose, right? Reference is mandatory. Like if you have the reference or if you can approach to any Cisco employee, then you must go through the reference to get more weightage to a profile. And job type is the early in career. That means it's a entry level position, as I told you earlier. So now let's discuss about the roles. Especially, so what you'll be doing, you'll be doing apply, design, develop, troubleshoot and the debug software programs to enhancement and the new products. So basically what needs to be done here. So if you're building any product or the project or some software, right? So people will be sharing their feedbacks, right? You have to collect their feedbacks or the reviews, and you have to work on that and to enhance the project or the product for the betterment of the product, so that people will be happy while using the product or the project, right? So this is all about this position. So it's a purely technical position, but it's a kind of iteration process. You have to iterate through the process to enhance or to improvise the project or the product, right? So now let's discuss about the eligibility criteria and all. So here they're hiring for the final year position candidates. That means 2023 people towards the bachelor or the master's degree in computer science, computer engineering, electrical engineering, related major subjects, math and physics. And if you see here, this is only for the 2023 pass out. Other batch candidates cannot apply for this position. Even if they are applying, they will not be shortlisted for the interview or the written test. And these are the other things, you can go through troubleshooting and problem solver and programming and the scripting language. You must be having knowledge about Python or the Ruby and all. And you must be a multitasker, and basically they mainly focus on the data structure part as well. So you have to take care of that thing, and if you're interested you can apply. And one thing I just quickly wanted to tell you, so it does not very in a few so quickly it gets expired, the job positions. So if you see this position is expired, so you can search for the other position or the relevant position by clicking on the back to search result, and you can apply for the similar kind of position. Because I have seen that today the position is available and tomorrow the position is has been removed. So you have to take care of that. So if you are interested, then simply click on the apply now, then you will be able to apply. So it's a easy process, but it will be a time consuming process, so I'm not going through that. And once your profile is being shortlisted, then you have to go through the written test mainly. It will be purely a technical round, like technical questions will be there, the problem solving questions will be there, followed by the coding interview and the managerial and the HR interview. So I'll be putting this link in the description of this video. You can click on that link and directly jump to this page to apply for this position. And also I'll be putting this link and other off-campus related video or the links, so that you'll be able to apply for the other positions as well. So I hope it is clear right now. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any doubt, you can comment your doubts in the comment section below. I'll try to resolve it as soon as possible.